papunta?
You save 2 minutes via one and song.
Yan, sinasabi ni
in the
Waze.
city and avoid traffic building up on your route.
Meron tayong interview. Nihintay na daw ako doon.
Saan?
Sa Toyota Pasig.
Bakit? For what?
Partnership ng Cartel Auto Works and Toyota Pasig. Woo!
Congrats!
Late ka.
Late ka.
Hindi kasi nila sinabi sa akin yung
Oras.
program flow for the day.
Proud of you.
In 1.7 kilometers, turn right on Lanuza Avenue.
Di ba, kaliwa lang po. Thank you.
Excited ka na? Kinakabahan ka ba?
Wala naman yata mangyayari. Excited ako. Hindi ako nakakabahan. Ba't ako kakabahan? Pakita mo.
Ito yung stock ng Tamaraw. Ay, kasi ganyan din yung...
Hindi ba siya... Yung binil ko na una, ganyan po. Yun yung nakita nilang parang ginawa nilang fake. Na hindi nila alam na tayo.
I wanna record this phone stand. Sobrang convenient niya. Nakuha ko or nakita ko to sa kasama ko sa commercial, si Kevin. I'll tag you. Dati, yung phone stand lang, but bumili na rin ako ng casing kasi mas convenient dahil eventually matatanggal yung dikit nung included magnet of the phone stand.
Launch tayo ng Tamaraw, ng very famous new generation Tamaraw as seen dito sa ating support. No, madaming designs, madaming customizations, madaming options, madaming conversions na eventually lalabas. So now, unveiling to you a collaboration between Toyota Pasig and Cartel Auto Works, a Tamaraw GL drop side automatic. Author and owner of Cartel Auto Works, please welcome Mr. Gio.
Hi, good afternoon to everyone. I'm Gio Pandi, founder and president of Cartel Auto Works. This collaboration marks a significant milestone. Two brands that share the same values of excellence, innovation, and customer satisfaction. Let me take this moment to express my deepest gratitude to the leadership and team of Toyota Pasig for placing their trust in us. Let's drive this partnership forward and make great things happen. Thank you. And
So start pa lang to. Lahat ng nakikita natin na accessories dito na i-walk around later ni Sir Gio, pwede maging available to all future Tamaraw.
driving lights. And also sa hood, nag-mount tayo na we installed 40-inch LED bar. But I think we can fit install or sa mga nag-off-road, may mga Thailand brands din na pwede natin yun.
Okay guys, so round of applause. All inquiries, natapos natin inquire. So, it's itong short presentation.